Hello students, welcome to online class and I hope that you all are happy, healthy and hygienic. Students, yesterday we completed a poster designing about traffic rules, and before that we already had completed notice number 1, notice number 2 and notice number 3. And today I am going to design a poster on a famous social issue about Save Girl Child. That is familiar to all of us, but there is a need of just a talent, a creativity and a potential that you have. Actually, this is not of a SAT pattern. Already I had told you yesterday that how to design a poster. It should be very catchy, it should be innovative, creative, and the poster should be like that it could attract the people's attraction, their attention, also everything, so that they could connect themselves with that posters. So now see about Save Girl Child. Okay, this issue is a stigma on our society. It should not be like that. We all are human beings. How we should have such a discrimination in our life? Why we should have this inequality? We are human beings, not a demons. So students, we have to take attention of all the people who are just preferring only male child. So now have a look here. See how to design a poster. Already I had told you about 45 to 50 words. So now see, the first one should be Save Girl Child. Okay, you have to make a bold and capital heading, so that at a time when a person could see the poster, it should be in the heart of the person, in the brain of the person. So we already had mentioned here Save Girl Child. Okay, the next is how to do, how to design a poster. We already had mentioned Save Girl Child, and after that you will mention here love her. You know that which type of feelings, which type of treatment is required for a female child, that we have to mention to make aware the people, to make aware their feelings also. This is for awareness especially. So we will mention first love her. Okay, this is for girl child, we all should love. Next, care her, means look after her, don't ignore her. The next is nourish her. Students, I also have made it, I also have tried to make it beautiful, but you know that my drawing is not good, so I have not designed any pic here, any picture here. So if you are a creative, I think you all are creative students, you have to draw a picture of a girl, a very beautiful picture that I am going to see in your classwork, which I am going to provide you after getting over the session. Care her, then nourish her. Okay, we have to nourish. Keep her alive. If you wish to know the Hindi meaning of this, you please keep commenting so that I would tell you about the same. What is the Hindi? I think you all know very well. Keep her alive. Stop foeticide. You know, in Hindi we will say that bhroon hatya. It should be stopped. It should be banned already. So many doctors have banned it. Government has banned it. And the doctors are not using such type of equipment also. The next, let them give wings to fly. Actually, the girl child deserve to fly, means not that they have to fly like a bird. It means that they also need to fulfill their dreams, their desires, their ambitions. So we have to mention about it. Save creator of the world. Who is the creator of the world? The first one is our God, and after that, if we say that, there is a Sanskrit proverb also, Janni Janma Bhumishcha Swargadapi Gariyasi, like that. Janani. We are talking about here mother. Okay, so save creator of the world. Mother is the creator, second creator of the world. After that, move them freely. There should not be any foundation. There should be fully freedom to all that. There should not be like that you are a girl, you should not like this. Build her life. This is your ultimate responsibility to build her life, cooperate her in every way. Be kind to her, support her. Be kind to her. Don't treat them mercilessly. It means have mercy, be kind and support her. You have to support each girl. You have to support each girl with all ways. Okay? So I think you all have got the meanings of this. Next, I have made a something little bit designing like this. You can do. Even you have to draw a picture of a girl child that I would like to see as a classwork that you are going to do now. Educate her equally. Educate her equally. There should not be any type of discrimination between the boy and the girl. This is a boy. He has to set up the family. He has to establish the career. So we should not have to do like that. Educate her equally. There should not be any type of inequality. Okay? Just treat both male and female similarly, in the same manner. Goddess of sacrifice. There is no one on this earth, in my opinion, that can sacrifice anything for the descendant. Descendant in Hindi we will say santan. The goddess of sacrifice. Okay? Female child is also a goddess of sacrifice. And the next is mother of all. We all know that she is the creator. And here stop discrimination. Discrimination like there should not be any type of foundation only for girls and not for the boys. Here the same meaning I have mentioned here. And students, after designing the poster, after writing it in bold and capital letters in a beautiful handwriting, in a neat and clean designing, when you do it complete, don't forget to keep it framed properly. Don't forget to keep it framed properly. And after that, the most important thing, you will not. Actually, you would have seen so many advertisements on the television. है ना? So, what is the announcement at last? Issued in public interest. जनहित में जारी. In Hindi we will speak. So here issued by Beti Bachao. Actually, this may be the name of any organization. Okay? Any organization can organize such type of awareness among the people to take the attention of people towards themselves. So students, I think you have got the perfect meaning of the poster designing. You have learned it very well. You have understood it very well. If you have not got it properly, you please keep commenting and write your all the complications in the comment where you are not getting anything here. So you have to design it. You have to learn it. I think now you have completely known about the poster. Okay, I'll provide you homework also. Students, don't forget to press the bell icon to subscribe and keep sharing with your friends so that they could see it. They could learn something. Those are not learning here and those are out of connection, out of reach. Okay friends? So thanks. Have a nice day and get ready for your homework. Have a nice time. Stay at home. Stay safe. Stay hygienic. Thank you very much.